Hello. Oh. Come here. Ooh. 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 Ah. Hello. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Hoo hoo hoo. Okay, high five. Yeah. Chi. Chichiri. No, Korean. Yeah, Hankook. Are you, do you speak Mandarin or Cantonese? Mandarin. Alright. 谢谢. 谢谢. 谢谢你. Oh. 谢谢。谢谢。下来。下来了。下来。Come down.
Yeah,
下来。
Are you married?
Yeah, I'm married.
You have
2 years.
You have a baby?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, we're gonna have a baby in 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. What's his name?
It's Dylan.
Dylan.
Are you working?
Huh?
Are you working?
I do freelance. She Layla. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Love you.
Love you. Yeah, so pro tip, one of the best places to take photos and stuff like that is at the park. Treat the park like your visual jungle gym. There's so much fun you could have at the park. I usually like to come to the park to work out, but also a really good opportunity for you to take photos and interact with people.